Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE Bluetooth cutting issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, swipe down and open Control Center, and here click on this restart icon and then restart your mobile. After restarting, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here open apps. Now in apps, click on the filter icon. Now here click on this filter icon and then turn on show system apps. After that, scroll down and here open Bluetooth and then scroll down and go to the storage of Bluetooth. Now here clear the app data and cache memory of Bluetooth.